Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you the whole process of signing up on TubeBuddy. So if you want to learn how to sign up on TubeBuddy, you'll have to simply follow these steps that I'm going to show you. So first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. I'm opening Google Chrome. Now go to the search bar and search for TubeBuddy. After you search for TubeBuddy, you will see the first site, that is www.tubebuddy.com. Click on this option, that is the first site. Now you will see TubeBuddy's homepage. Here you will see the pricing, enterprise, AI tools, features, community, company, and blog option. So you can see and explore all the features available on this website, but we have to sign up on TubeBuddy. And in order to do that, we can first of all select a plan. And if you want to sign up for free, you'll have to simply click on the sign in option at the top right corner. After you click on sign in, you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, make sure you check out these two options, click on them and make sure these two boxes are checked and click on sign in with Google. After you click on sign in with Google, you'll be promoted to this page where you'll have to choose an account to sign in. So if you're already signed in with a Google account on your browser, you will see that account appearing. But if you want to sign up with another account or use another account, click on use another account. Type in that email or phone number and click on next. Now enter your password and click on next. After you click on next, you will see the option for sign in to TubeBuddy. Click on continue. After you click on continue, you'll be automatically logged into your TubeBuddy's new account. So this is the account that we just created signing up on TubeBuddy. And here you will see the option for home, integrations, member perks, affiliate program, and much more. You can also hover your mouse over the name at your top right corner and click on profile. After that, you will see the settings for this page. Now click on home and you'll be back to your TubeBuddy. You can click on launch extension and access the best parts of TubeBuddy by linking TubeBuddy with your YouTube account. You can also talk to an expert, see their tutorial and integrate it with other applications. So sign up on TubeBuddy with your Gmail account or your credentials and enjoy using TubeBuddy on your YouTube. So that's how you sign up on TubeBuddy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.